into a space where everyone is kind of following the same direction and everyone is starting to look the same. When you stay true to yourself, it actually has more longevity. The style that you're doing or the routine that you're following is going to be able to withstand the test of time. So welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I wanted to make this video because I seen a comment on my video that I just posted, and then when I said in that video that I don't wear makeup, someone commented and basically said, oh my gosh, I don't wear makeup either. I thought I was the only one. So I thought that this would be a really good video to put on my channel. But this is a video for everyone, because even if you do wear makeup, I'm pretty sure you don't wear it like every single day, and these tips can still help you if you're in that type of category. As you guys see right now, I look a little crazy. This is the way that I normally start off when I'm going to be doing my skincare and things like that. Because even though I don't wear makeup, I still have a routine that I do that helps me feel good about my skin and about my beauty, of course, so that I can still feel confident when I'm going out. So let's go ahead and get into this absolutely no makeup routine. The first thing I wanted to say is that when you are going out without makeup, the most best thing you can do, start on a really good foundation. What I mean by that is staying hydrated so that your skin already naturally looks hydrated and plump. Also, of course, eating right can help with your skin feeling and looking better, as well as you feeling and looking better. Working out is really good for your skin as well, because you sweat out toxins and things like that. So it's not just like a physical topical thing. You need to make sure that you take care of your inside as well, so that your outside can reflect that. So that is the root of all of this, step one. Now on to step two, that is going to be skincare. So you're going to need to make sure that you have a really good skincare routine. Of course, everyone's skincare routines are going to be completely different. For me, I like to have a very, very simple skincare routine, but it's not going to work for everyone. My daughter, for example, thinks that my skincare routine is too simple, and she's like, I don't see how you do that. So I actually use the Origins Checks and Balances faulty face wash on my face, and as you guys can see, this is almost empty. I need to get some more. Take this little scrubber here, and this gets rid of any dead skin, and it also helps with like blackheads, whiteheads, things like that. And I just clean my face, and I only do that once every 2 weeks, which I know people are like, wait a minute, woman, you're supposed to wash your face every single day. I do wash my face every single day, but I actually wash my face with just water. And I know that that is super crazy, but I don't like to put a lot of stuff on my skin throughout the week. When I get out of the shower, I then do a moisturizing routine, and I do that on the daily basis because you want your skin to look hydrated. The key to looking good without makeup is to have hydrated, glowy, fresh skin. So I'm gonna take this aloe vera gel, and this is gonna work as my toner. So I usually have a actual toner, but aloe vera is a natural toner, for those of you who didn't know. This is the most natural aloe vera that I could find that was store-bought and that didn't have to be in the refrigerator. There are lots of aloe vera options out there. Just make sure that you get one that doesn't have crazy ingredients in it. So I'm actually gonna tag the one that I'm using. I'm gonna take this moisturizer by Kopari, and this is their coconut water moisture cream, and I'm going to put that on my face. Now I will tag this product as well for you guys. Okay, so we're not gonna rub this all the way in, because now my next step is to do a depuff on my face. I have put this on my channel before. I love the Gua Sha. This is the Rose Quartz Gua Sha, and it depuffs your face so that your face is, not looking all puffy and stuff, because you don't want your under eyes and your cheeks and stuff to be looking all puffy, and you don't have makeup to hide that. So you have to make sure that you have some type of depuffer if you have a lot of water retention in your face when you wake up, which most people do. Of course, there are other ways that you can, combat that, but So we got the depuffing routine done. It's to now use natural products to insinuate your natural beauty. So I have this here, which is like, this is supposed to be like a clear mascara, I guess, but literally all I did was put aloe vera into here. Now of course this aloe vera has like a few, yeah, it has a preservative in it to prevent mold. I put this into this little container and now I literally just kind of like separate my eyelashes for the day. Eyebrows if you like as well. I don't normally do my eyebrows. I usually just leave my eyebrows alone. Fun fact, I've never had my eyebrows arched or tinted or anything, so these are my natural eyebrows. Now I'm going to take these Derma E Vitamin C Bright Eye patches, and it looks like when I have them on that I don't get them on correctly, but that's not actually what's going on. It's just that they're so slippery. Puff the under eyes. I washed my hair off camera, so I am just going to do like, you know, this little wet look that I got going on and just allow my hair to do what it needs to do today, and just like a wash and go kind of. And for my hair, I just used these two new products that you guys see here. I used the shampoo and conditioner, and then I used the Derma E deep conditioner, which I absolutely love that deep conditioner. You guys do not understand. It looks like a small container, but it is super potent, and I just love that conditioner so much. So as you guys can tell, Derma E is all throughout my routine. I put an oil on my hair to seal in the moisture, and then I use As I Am's Long and Luxe edge control for my edges. So after I take off these eye patches, I'm going to use a glow oil. So this is the glow oil that I use, and this is the only glow oil that I use because I've used a lot of other glowy oils that are supposed to like make your skin glowy, and they just make your skin feel very oily. Once the 10 minutes goes up for my eye patches, I'll put the glow oil on. When you're not wearing makeup, you need to make sure that your skin is really glowy and hydrated like I mentioned, so I like to use a glow oil to set everything off. And then on my body, I'm going to use the WELEDA Skin Food Body Butter. I need to make a whole entire video on body butters because I'm so particular about the body butter that I use. It has to be a certain type of body butter, and it gives me like a nice glow on my body as well. I'm going to use this Pacifia lip gloss that I'm going to put on my lips. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit and the completed look, but before we do that, and also I think these are done, so I will take these off. There's like a really nice solution that is here, so I'm gonna rub it into my face. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna show you guys my little quick outfit that I put on in just a moment, but I wanted to quickly point out that this routine is the routine that works for me. I've discovered over the years that the more natural look suits me, and sticking to my personal style is what helps to boost my confidence. I feel like it looks really good on me. In today's world, I honestly feel like that trends are like everywhere. They're running rapid. We all see it. They're literally everywhere. Trends are starting like every single day, especially with TikTok, which let me tell you, TikTok, I try to get into that app so many times, like 10 times over, and I just, it's just not my thing. I just can't. It's just too many people on there that are giving out too much information with zero research to back it up. Maybe one day in the future, I don't know, but that's not the point. Of course, the trends that are on there are super cute, and I actually like some of the trends, like the soft girl era, the quiet luxury era, or quiet luxury trend that was going on that app, like that. And the certain aesthetic trends that are on there, you know, all of those are like super fun to do. But I do feel that there are times when trends start to go way too deep. Some people go too far into them, and it can sometimes steer us away from our unique style, and it can go into a space where everyone is kind of following the same direction and everyone is starting to look the same. Let me give you an example. The quiet luxury aesthetic, the one that I told you guys that I really like, When I seen that start to pop off, I was like, okay, I can get with this trend because I already wear, like, I already do this trend a little bit. But it's so crazy because I've seen a video on the whole aesthetic and how to follow the aesthetic, so I clicked on it. And the person who posted the video mentioned that when you do the quiet luxury aesthetic, you can't have like those bummy days, I guess. And I don't have bummy days, but I do have days where I'm like a lot more casual. Basically saying even on your lazy days that you need to fully embrace the quiet luxury aesthetic in order to really be doing it the right way. And I just listened to the video and I'm like, no, that's not for me. Even before it became a trend, I have days where I don't want to like dress a certain way. I like to dress according to how my mood is. And I just was thinking to myself while watching the video, like, okay, well, I'm definitely not doing the trend that way. And I feel like I want to encourage you guys to think the same way. I literally enjoy mixing up my style. There's times where I like to dress more preppy. There are times where I like to do more of a street style. There are days where I want to be lazy. Now, when I want to be lazy with my style, it doesn't mean that I look like, you know, a slob or anything, or I didn't put any effort into my look. It's just that I want to be a lot more comfortable. Like today, you guys are gonna see I have a more comfortable look going on because it is that time of the month. As you guys see, I still put a lot of, you know, time into my look. I have went out like this plenty of times and people still give me compliments like, oh my God, you're so pretty. I say all that to say that you don't have to follow things to a T. Variety to me keeps things interesting. And if I was to follow exactly what that video was saying, I would be going against my own individual style. You know what I mean? For the girl who commented on my video about feeling more confident, it's all about being yourself. So if you want to feel more confident when you don't have a makeup, do it in your way. Like if you want to halfway not wear makeup, so for example, I know a lot of people who will not wear makeup, like they won't put on like certain types of makeup, but they'll put on like mascara, or like they'll still get their eyebrows done, or whatever you want to do, however you want to take this video or whatever style that you like and tailor it to what works for you. That's how you're gonna feel confident, because you're going to feel like that you have a piece of you within the style that you're doing. And I feel like the saying you do you is like, it just gets you super far because you're following your own individual liking. And honestly, whether you're wearing makeup or not, the key is to find things that insinuate your natural beauty. Trick is to find your own style that fits you and own it. Because honestly, when you feel good doing it, you are going to feel good bringing that forward. You're gonna know that it's the right style for you because you feel good doing it. And just be open to change, because there's a lot of times where we're gonna, of course, want to change the way we're doing things. When you stay true to yourself, it actually has more longevity. The style that you're doing or the routine that you're following is going to be able to withstand the test of time. Let me give you guys an example. Back when I first started YouTube in 2014, makeup videos were popping off. Like that was the thing to do makeup on YouTube. And it was just a huge deal, and I would feel the pressure sometimes to try to be that, like try to wear makeup and try to do these different things, and it was super uncomfortable for me. I don't know how to put on makeup still to this day and I just didn't want to do it. It just felt like it was so much work, which I've explained this story on my channel so many times, so I won't go too deep into it. But now in today's social media world, if you notice, it's kind of switched. It's switched towards a more natural approach and beauty and lifestyle in many aspects. Is switched to a more natural approach if you pay attention to what's going on right now. So again, things come and go, but back in 2014 when I was doing what's kind of currently popular now, it felt really weird, and it felt like that I was the only one in that lane for me, because I wasn't really meeting a lot of like-minded people during that time. But I was able to stick to my more natural lifestyle because it was something that I already love. It wasn't something that I was forcing or trying to do. It was just something that came natural to me. I, of course, have changed things over time. So, and fast forward to 2024, I'm still doing the same, you know, same thing, but I've of course changed things here and there. I was doing what I love to do back then. That's what I mean by being able to withstand the test of time, because I was already, you know, doing following my own trend and kind of doing what I wanted to do. now that it is a trend, I just get to continue on with my life. I was just doing me back then, no matter what was acceptable, and even if it wasn't as common. Also, don't take this video in a bad way. I actually love that there's more people following like the natural lifestyle. I feel like that is a natural progression for the world and the way that we're going anyway. Now, does it annoy me when I get on TikTok and I see yet another person telling millions of people that all they have to do is drink kombucha and they'll fix all their gut health problems or make them skinny? Absolutely. Zero research again. But at least people are trying. It doesn't matter. We can all learn and have fun. But let's go ahead and move on because I'm going to show you guys my lazy outfit that I'm wearing today. This is also my completed look. As you guys can see, my hair is already starting to get a little bit dried. So I'm going to just have like a curly wash and go. For my outfit, I just have on this white t-shirt. I got this from Zara. It's a crop t-shirt. I have on these these sweatpants that I got from Amazon. They were super cheap and I couldn't believe that I could find some comfortable sweatpants that look cute on Amazon. So I got these on Amazon. Don't wear shoes in the house, so you guys see that I don't have on my shoes. But when I go out, I'm just gonna put on some really girly tennis shoes. Like you could put on Huaraches or something cute. You can still make this outfit girly because that's what I always do when I wear lazy outfits. I have on my ankle bracelet as well because I always wear my ankle bracelet, and I also got that from Amazon, and it's 14 karat gold ankle bracelet. And then I have on my rings, of course. And yeah, that was my absolutely no makeup look. If you guys like this type of content, let me know down in the comment section or by simply liking this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.